Hey everyone, check this out. So I had a dent in this header pipe right there. It was about the size of my thumb, about a couple millimeters deep, pretty unsightly. It looked pretty bad. And I had seen online that if you fill the header tube with water and put it in the freezer, that the expanding ice will push the dent out. So that's exactly what I did. And look at how good it came out. Now, just so you know, I had to do this twice. The first time, I did not get these results. It actually came out of the freezer looking exactly the same way as it went in. And I thought, you know, what the heck, I will just do it again. And the second time, it came out really good. Now, it does look like the pipe is swollen just a little bit because of the expanding ice. And I don't know if that's going to go down, probably not, you know, when I get the ice out of here. But I'm really surprised that this actually worked. You know, in the meantime, I'd gone ahead and put a different exhaust system on this bike. Not that I had to, but I just had an extra full exhaust system for the bike, so I put it on here. But, you know, now this one is almost as good as new as well. So, if you were wondering if this actually works, I would say, yeah, you know, give it a try. If it doesn't work the first freeze, then try it 2, 3, maybe 4 times. And no, I did not put any sort of rubber stopper or cap. All I did is I filled the tube with water, and I kind of set it in the freezer like this, obviously, so the water won't spill out, and let it freeze, and that's it. All right, so thought you might like to see that. And here it is with the coat of paint.